when it passes, we begin a new chapter in this conversation. And I would imagine that though it may take some years for President Obama to make some replacements to the Supreme Court, that we'll soon see, not unlike with the end of the ban to interracial marriages, when our Supreme Court ruled 19 years prior to the Earl Warren Supreme Court, a similar process will unfold. There's never been a challenge, and we don't want to currently challenge at this Supreme Court the many constitutional amendments that have passed across the country. But clearly there is no constitutional basis for this discrimination. That's why our opponents had to amend all these constitutions so they could discriminate. But no one has ever challenged the United States constitutionality, these successful attempts to encode discrimination into the state constitutions. Well, with regard to LGBT civil rights, no state has had the success legislatively that we have had. So much of our work in terms of legal protections has been completed. Of course, the enforcement is another issue altogether, and we need to continue to educate those who don't yet understand that it's wrong.